Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Viera and I have not filmed a video in a really long time. I'm excited to show you guys these lipsticks that I've been loving. They are the Urban Decay Vice lipsticks. I have 13 shades to try on for you guys, so let's just get into it. The first lipstick I'm going to try on today is called Starknaked. It is a comfort matte and it is described on Sephora's website as a light nude. So easy to put on, feels like chapstick, glides on amazing. It is not drying and it is not the traditional like don't budge, it's not coming off matte lipstick. The second shade I'm trying on is called Fuel 2.0. For some reason I can't find this shade on Sephora's website at the moment, but it is a cream finish. Now this is a little more like wet than the last one. This is a cream and that one was a comfort matte. This third shade is called Insanity. It is another cream finish like the last one and it's described as a soft warm nude. I really like this shade. Very glossy, the color's nice. It's maybe a little lighter than the last one that I tried on, still in the same kind of family of like warm nudes. The fourth shade that I have is called Tilt. It is a comfort matte and it is described as bright orange. This is a new formula. This is, okay, it's not like a new formula, but like new to this video. This is a mega matte and this is called 714. It's a bright red. So the mega matte formula, a little harder to put on, that it's even hard to put on, but it's drier. So it doesn't just glide on like chapstick like the rest of them have. It is definitely a bright red. I would say it's a true red. It's not neon red or red orange. I keep forgetting to press record. So this shade is called 69. This is a cream finish and it is described as a bright red with pink undertones. The next shade I'm gonna go for is called Alpha. I would describe this as like a magenta. It's a mega matte, so again it doesn't glide on as easy as the other ones, but honestly I felt like this one was perfect. I didn't have trouble dragging it. I didn't think that it was dry. It's definitely still comfortable. Okay, so am I filming? Yeah. My battery died. I had to charge it for a while, so ow, oh my gosh, I forgot these were in my hair. Oh wait, this is Anarchy. A cream and it's a bright fuchsia. It's got more of like a purple undertone, but this is a really great formula. It's creamy, it's bright, feels comfortable. This next shade is called Psycho. This is a comfort matte and this is the one that I could not find on the website anymore. So it's actually a like bright pink, like a hot pink with blue sparkles. Now this is a comfort matte, so it's a little more dry than the other ones, and with the sparkles in it, it's like glitter. It's kind of like gritty, like you can feel the glitter. Like a blue sheen. It is really pretty. I don't wear this as much as I should. Next shade is Disobedient. This is a really good like everyday color that kind of goes with a lot of looks. It goes with a lot of skin tones. It's a cream finish and it is a medium pink. This next shade here is called Backtalk and this is another comfort matte, so a little more of a drier formula, which even these comfort mattes are not dry. They all glide on so nice. They do wear off a little bit, but for the most part I feel like the color stays on even if I'm eating or drinking, and it's so easy to reapply. It doesn't get like crusty or flaky. They glide on and they're amazing. So Backtalk is a mauve nude pink. Luckily these do come off pretty nicely because they are so like creamy. Some of them do like leave a little bit of a stain, which I've also tried on so many shades, so that's to be expected. Okay, this next one is 1993. This is a comfort matte. This is another one that I've been wearing a lot. It's one of my favorite shades. There's so many shades like this, and Kylie Jenner kind of started this trend of like the medium brown taupey lips when she first got her lip injections. And Jaclyn Hill did a color. She actually did a lipstick with a brand that I don't think she works with anymore, but it was called 1995. And it was the same kind of thing, like a taupey brown. This is 1993. 1 year too late. I was born in 92. This shade is called Oblivion, and it is a mega matte, and it is a gray taupe color. So kind of similar to the last one, only this is more gray. I really like the gray lipsticks. If I were doing a makeup look and had like a really thick black wing, something very simple, but then the gray lipstick, I think that would be really cool. I love it on brunettes for some reason. I think it's complementary to dark hair. It's kind of got like a purple undertone, which I'm not super fond of, but it is one of those lipsticks that when you're wearing it, you know, you just have to like own it and rock it because it's different and people are gonna be like, what color is that? I had a lot of fun filming this video. I promise I will do more. I have nothing to do, so there's really no excuse. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me swatch those 13 shades. Please go out and buy the Urban Decay Vice lipstick. It is the best lipstick ever and you will not be disappointed. There are 30 more shades that I didn't even mention in this video, so there is really something for everyone. They have a wide range of neutral to red, pink, orange, purple. They've really got it all, so please go on Sephora's website and check it out, or urbandecay.com. I'm a huge Sephora shopper. I never go to like brands' personal like websites and buy. That's when you can buy everything at once and you get free samples and the points, you know. I'm just like a Sephora slut. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully I can edit it down and make it decent. I would love to chat with you guys in the comments. If you have any questions or suggestions for new videos, please let me know. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I promise I will upload more, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye. The Urban Decay, I should probably know what these are called. Oh my goodness. Banksy wanted to be in the video too, didn't you? Do you want me to do your makeup? Isn't he so pretty? I like hate when people ask questions about your makeup, not to compliment it, but to just like point out that it's different or that it's unique and they've never seen anything like it. Like, where do you even get a lipstick like that? And it's like, why are you worried about it, Dave? You're a 65-year-old man. Like, are you trying to buy it for your wife? Like, get off my back.